My next sale order has just come in and it's the day I'm leaving for holiday. Thanks very much, Next. So this is gonna be a rapid fire Next summer sale haul. So hey guys, it's Becky and welcome to my channel and thank you so much for joining me today. I do everything from plus size fashion, beauty, lifestyle, vlogging, all that good stuff every Wednesday and Friday. Today, we're in a bit of a rush because my next summer sale order was late and it is here the day I am traveling for my summer holiday. So isn't that fabulous? Isn't that brilliant? I've got everything planned. Oh, and we've also got the village idiot driving around at the moment and it's setting off everyone's alarms. Guys, the wonder of living in London, it's really frustrating. He keeps driving around the street and it keeps setting off the same alarm and he gets off on it. What can I say? So sorry if you can hear that alarm. I just want to show you some quick things that I bought that I'm not obviously going to try on because they're jewelry and things. I picked up this really cute necklace set with all these gorgeous little shells. I feel like this was £11 and you get 3 different necklaces, even though they're all a little bit tangled up right now. I don't have time to untangle. Oh, for God's sake. Guys. What an absolute loser. Another couple of things I picked up were some pants. I've always been really curious about Next underwear because they're always really expensive. I managed to get this pack for £4.50, which I'm really excited about. This one was called the banana pack, so it's got little bananas, little banana prints. And then this one was the croissant and coffee pack, and this one's so cute. I believe this one was £9.50. I do feel like any of the kind of everyday underwear, knicky knackies, things like that, do go really, really quickly in the sale because, you know, we're wearing them every day. Oh my God. This video is going to be a bit chaotic. And then I've already tried this on for you guys, so I didn't want to do it again, but I literally did a Next haul the other day. I was just excited for my holiday, but I had a feeling in my bones that there was going to be a sale coming up. So luckily everything that I had bought in my last sale was still, I could still return it when I got my preview, my sale preview. And what did I see? I saw this vest top and another thing you'll see in a minute in the sale. So I will leave all of the codes. I think that's the best bet. I'm going to leave all the codes for everything down below. Things will be coming in and out of stock as people start returning things. So I will leave the codes because I know someone was looking for this and they couldn't find it. I think it did sell out, but as I said, people are now starting to get their orders. And this is so cute. I really like it. Yeah, I'm definitely keeping this, but let's get into the rest of the haul video. Pray for me. So you guys loved this shift dress on me. Oh, why? Oh guys, I'm actually gonna go out there and puncture his tire. Oh my God, what a loser. Anyway. You guys loved this dress I got last time. It was this gorgeous kind of soft autumn colour palette, linen dress dream, super, super cute. And again, I had my eye on this set. It had 2 of the linen dresses and I loved this striped, I need to maybe jiggle you down a bit. I loved this striped number. I thought it was so, so cute. This isn't a 26, it fits really lovely. There's lots of room in it, but it's not too oversized. It's also an excellent length. Really cute back detail. Guys, guess how much I got the 2 dresses for? The 2 dresses. £23. £23, and this is so cute. I feel like the dresses are both They're like both quite different, so it doesn't feel like you're buying like two of the same. I feel like they're both really, really nice, but a little bit different. I do feel like you get really good value for money when the sets of items go in the sale. So yeah, just so happy with this. I love it. I'm gonna take both because they're lightweight, comfortable, cute. I can put some cute jewelry on with them. Really, really happy. And yeah, for 23 quid, they fit really nice. I love the square neckline. I love this. Yeah, really cute, really happy. So this was another set that I bought. It comes with this navy one, but it's almost black. It's so dark, really dark navy. I picked it up though because I really loved this lime green version. What do you think, guys? Is it a lot? Is it doing it? I will say, when I saw them in the packet, I didn't know if I liked it, but now I've got it on, it's actually quite cute. You've got this sheared little number up top. I will say, it's not as stretchy as I thought it was going to be. It's definitely a little bit snuggier. You have got pockets. It's a lot longer than I thought it was going to be, and you do have a slit, but luckily it's not too high. Again, I got the set for £23, so I feel like it's a bit of a bargain anyway. It's a beautiful soft jersey cotton, and like there is stretch in it, but there's definitely it only goes so far. So I'm actually really glad that I got this in a 26, because I feel like if I got this in a 24, I don't think it would have been tight, but I don't think it would have been maybe as stretchy as I assumed it was going to be. But it's really comfortable. I think the lime green is really iconic, and then the navy is just like a classic you can wear like all year around. I don't know if I'm going to take these on holiday, or if I do, I might just take this green one because it's so fun, bright and bold. Yeah, maybe I'll just take this one. But guys, I've also got another one to show you, because apparently they do this dress in many different colours and patterns, so you'll have to let me know what you think. So this is literally the same dress, but this one has a print and a pattern. A print and a pattern. It's this beautiful blue and white stripe. Again, this is so comfortable. Again, it's that beautiful soft jersey. And then you have this really gorgeous orange, peach and teal summery print on the bottom. Now this was definitely a bit more expensive. It wasn't in a set, and I do know the dress, it wasn't exactly cheap when it was full price. We have pockets. And again, this one feels a little bit stretchier than that green one, but really comfortable. And I love that it covers my shoulders, like really comfortable, but then it is maybe a little bit snuggy on the sleeve there. But I quite like this too, guys. You got that little slit as well. It's comfortable, and it is quite, and I feel as well, as I lose weight, I don't think it's going to be like too big too soon. So, because it's like stretchy, it will like go in a bit more. So yeah, I like this too. Damn. Guys, I'm sorry for speed running this, but I've got to catch a plane. So this dress, I so badly want white dresses to look cute on me, and I do think this one is a really pretty dress. The only issue is bra. We are sticking out here, and obviously the neckline is a very specific neckline. It's really, really, really pretty, but I just can't be bothered with funny bras. Like, is anyone else the same? I just cannot be bothered. So yeah, anyway, you've got this gorgeous little detail here, and broderie anglais fabric. You will need a new bra. I have got like a little light blue one on. There is actually a nice bit of stretch. This is in a 26 as well, and it feels really generous. If you didn't know, Next do go up to 26 in quite a bit of their range, and I feel like you're able to get styles that places like Yours Clothing and stuff just aren't selling. Like this gorgeous kind of handkerchief hem with that same fabric on. It is really pretty, but I can't keep this all. So I feel like this is just gonna be, it is probably just gonna be something I return because I feel like I'll wear other things more. It does have pockets. Yeah, it is really cute. I just think I want to desperately suit white and I just don't. And I know that's just my colouring, thanks to my AI colour analysis. But yeah, it's a beautiful, like super high quality dress. And if you have a tan, I'm sure this will look gorgeous on you. Just bear in mind, you do need a special bra. Or no bra, but yeah, guys, I'm not one of those no bra girlies. So yeah, it's very pretty. I just think I'll wear other things more. So I was really looking forward to this jumpsuit because I tried on the linen trousers and I loved the colourway. I thought the colourway was so cool. But these trousers are ridiculous. What on earth? They're like sales. This was unfortunately the item I was most excited about, so I am a bit disappointed. It's a really nice soft jersey material, and I think the top half looks okay, but the trousers are so long, and I'm like, guys, I can't pull it up anymore. Like I pulled it up so high. Yeah, unfortunately, this jumpsuit is just too long. You've got to be like daddy long legs or something to wear this one, but I love the colourway. If you got the linen trousers, I'm jealous. I regret not getting them now. Never mind. But yeah, you just need to be like 6 foot to wear this, to be honest, guys. I'm not paying to get something taken up, but I love how comfortable the jersey material is, but yeah, it's a no. We have a nightie. I've never tried a Next nightie before, so I really wanted to give it a go. I don't 100% love it. I just love big baggy nighties, guys. I do tend to go oversized. They only went up to 3XL in the nightie. It does fit and it fits comfortably. I will say the neckline is quite high and it's a little bit claustrophobic feeling. And I have got 2 other nighties. I'm not going to try them on, guys, because I think they're going to fit all the same. I'm tempted to keep this one because it's autumn and I'm not going to feel as hot and bothered. I really wanted summery nighties. I'm just going to take my own, I think, now. This one, though, this was full price. It's just in new for autumn, and I think I will keep this because I love autumn. And it is really, really cute. But for me, this cotton feels too good of a quality for a nightie. And then this one, again, it's very, very heavy. To be honest, it's almost giving like t-shirt dress. And it even has beading on it. And I lie on my tummy sometimes, and that's just gonna annoy me. So unfortunately, even though these nighties were like a really good deal and I love a nightie bargain, I think they're gonna have to go back. And every little helps, guys. Like, you know, this is a lot of money on nighties here. So yeah, I think these are gonna go back, but I like, they are nice quality, but if you run warm, it's gonna be warm. So I wouldn't pair these two together. We're just, you know, we've got to be quick. So this top I absolutely love. I think it's so cool, so unusual. It's my autumn colours, so it's looking good. I have these really cute pair of Good American capri denim jeans, and I'm off to Italy and Greece again in September, and this is all like Greek, Roman vibes. like the print. It's really, really cool and different. And I thought with my really cute denim capris, this would be such like a little Roman holiday outfit. It's a beautiful light cotton, and also it's peplum, guys. It is a classic, like flattering, it's a flattering vibe. It's also got this gorgeous slash neck, which is, I feel like unusual, but cool. I really like it. The skirt, unfortunately, is like too big. Like me and mum are coming to holiday together. Otherwise, I do really like it. I just think with where I am on my weight loss journey, I don't want to mention it all the time, but it is happening. This is already a bit too big, and hopefully in a few months' time, it would definitely be too big. So I just think like it's just really pointless buying something that I just won't be able to wear, even potentially on the cruise in September. So it's really cute, it's beautiful quality. And if you are like a 26, 28, guys, maybe a 30 would fit this skirt. It's very generously sized. It's like a linen material, beautiful chocolatey brown with this really fun kind of Greek writing on the bottom. Like it's a really fun, unusual skirt with pockets. Really, really cute, but just, yeah, too big, unfortunately. I don't think I've ever filmed a haul video that quick in my life. Decisions were made quick and fast. Definitely going to keep this top. I'm definitely going to keep the linen dresses. And I'm trying to work out what out of those like jersey dresses I should keep. I'm thinking I might just keep the solid colour and take the patterned one back because it was quite expensive. Then I'm going to take the nighties back, the jumpsuit back, the white dress back, and the skirt back, but I'm definitely going to keep this top. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope your next order gets delivered in time and you're not running around like a headless chicken like me. I'm actually going to go back to the store and take it back because I get stressed about returning stuff in the post, in case, especially when I'm out of the country. And like not being able to like deal with a missing parcel. So I'm literally gonna go drop this off at the shop and I come back, finish packing and get on my way. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Everything will be, all the codes will be in the description box down below. Let me know if I made the right decisions with what I kept and what I'm returning. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, hype, all that jazz, and I'll see you very soon.